Hi, I'm Ellie. Welcome back to Tech Tricks channel. Today I want to show you how to add a video into your Google Slides. If you want to make your presentation more interesting and more interactive, adding a video is a great option. Let's see. First, go to slides.google.com and choose a blank slide or open one you have already created. I open a blank slide. Here I delete these boxes. Now on this top ribbon, click on Insert and select Video. Okay, on the pop-up window, there are three main options to add video in the slide. The first option is Search. Via this feature, you can search for a desired YouTube video. You should just type keywords or the title of the YouTube video into the search field and click on this icon or hit Enter. For example, I search for how to add a border on PowerPoint slide and I hit Enter key and it brings me different options. I choose my video and click on Select. As you can see, my video was added to the slide. This was the first way. Let's see the next one. I go to another slide, delete these boxes. Now on the Insert tab, I choose the video. Okay. The next tab is By URL. In this field, you should paste the YouTube video URL here and hit the Enter key. Let's do an example. This is one of my YouTube videos and up here is the video URL. I copy that and paste it into the URL field. As you can see, a preview of the video will appear and you can play it. Now choose Select. The video was added to your slide. Now let's see the last way. The third tab is Google Drive, and you can upload a video from your drive into the slide. When you click on that, you will see different options. You can upload a video from your drive, share drives, share with me, and resend. For example, I choose one of these videos and click on Select. Notice that if you want to upload a video from your device, you should first upload it to your Google Drive. Then via Drive tab, choose it and upload it to the slide. If you don't know how to upload a video into your Google Drive, check the How to Use Google Drive Beginner Guide tutorial in the channel, or you can use the link in the cards or the description. Okay, when you insert the video in the slide, a Format Options pane will automatically open on the right side. If you don't have this pane, choose your video and click on Format Options up here. In this pane, you have different features: video playback, size and rotation, position, and drop shadows. On the first one, you can see a preview of the video. Choose the type of play, on-click, automatically, or manual. I choose on-click. And here you can choose the start and end time. For example, I want just the first minute of my video played. This option is good for long videos. And down here you can mute the audio. The next option is size and rotation. Here you can change the width and height. I choose 8 and 5. And you can choose a scale either. Here you can lock the aspect ratio. The next option is position. You can make it top left or center, or you can give a number for the position. And the last one, drop shadows, and you can select your desired features. Okay, now let's see the slide on the slideshow. Okay, my tutorial finished and you learned how to insert a video into your Google Slide and make your presentation more interesting. If you have any question, let me know in the comments and I will answer all of them. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Merry Christmas!